In a world where corals are facing increasing threats, a wave of hope emerges. In today's episode, we dive into the work behind CoraBoost, a nutritional supplement that could nourish coral reef resilience. Dr. Emma Kemp from the University of Technology, Sydney, leads this international collaborative project with partners from Australia, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Monaco. Just like humans, corals require a balanced diet of key vitamins and minerals to stay healthy, especially under stress. The team is developing a customized coral nutritional supplement called CoraBoost to enhance the quality and quantity of nutrients available to corals. This supplement aims to improve coral health and resilience and delay or mitigate coral bleaching under heat stress, thereby providing a crucial tool for future reef restoration efforts. By developing a nutritional supplement that can boost coral resilience, this project offers a promising solution to help corals withstand environmental stresses and promote healthier reefs. CoraBoost will be tested in the aquaria of Australia's largest aquaculture facility and on wild coral reefs in Australia, Malaysia, and Indonesia. CoraDUP is fueling numerous research initiatives across the globe through the Coral Accelerator program to secure a safe future for corals. We are committed to supporting projects that unlock the science and innovation needed to save corals and reefs worldwide, ensuring they continue to flourish for generations to come. Stay tuned for the next episode.